Next question is, will there be a dedicated team on my job? And the answer is yes. The majority of the time, it'll be me and my main guys with me. I may or may not be there absolutely every day. Most of the time I am. However, because I'm running the company, I'm doing the estimates, I'm doing the admin, and I'm also working on the job. And so there may be a couple of days that I'm not there, but most of the time, yes, you have a dedicated team on the project. I do not take on more than my team can handle at a given time. And most of the time that means one main project. We may have some smaller side projects that are going on while, say, maybe one of my subs is tiling. But that being said, yes, you have a main team on your project. You're not going to see a different person there working on the project every single day. That is not how we run the company. We stay pretty busy, so I got plenty of other projects coming at you, and that's Project Junkies, baby. That's how we do it. So do me a favor, like, subscribe if that's something that you're into, and we will catch you in the next one.